How to lock Zangi app. First, open Settings. Find the option for apps and tap on it. If you see the option for app lock over here, tap on it. Follow through the prompts, enable it for Zangi. In most of the devices, this option will not be available. In case there is no built-in feature on your device, use the external third-party application. Open the Play Store. Search for App Lock. You can see various applications over here. Find the App Lock application that you want to download and tap on it. For me, the application's name is App Lock. Tap on the option Install. Wait for a while and tap on the option Open. Follow through the prompts in order to set the pattern or password. Also allow all the necessary permissions. You can see the app list. Scroll down. Find the option for Zangi. Tap on it. Now Zangi app has been locked. Open the Zangi application. Now once you open it, you'll have to enter the pattern or password. After that only it will be unlocked. Like this, you'll be able to unlock Zangi app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.